Dear viewers, today I want to describe a subject that secure about secure computer system. Do you know how to protect your data or any kinds of important information in your computer? Do you know about it? How to protect your data, your information, and how to protect your operating system, and how to protect your computer by unauthorized access. You should know about a TPM chip that built in the modern computer. In modern computer, every a chip that's named TPM chip is set in every motherboard for the best security to your computer from unauthorized access. You need to know the details of the chip. The chip named TPM chip that totally means trusted platform module. This trusted platform module it's a component of a trusted platform module compiling with the TPM version 1.2 standard, and now it is 1.2 2.0 standard. Trusted platform module TPM, also known as ISO/IEC 11889, is an international standard for a secure cryptic processor, a dedicated microcontroller designed to secure hardware through integrated cryptographic keys. Trusted Platform Module was conceived by a computer industry consortium called Trusted Computing Group (TCG) and was standardized by International Organization for Standardization ISO, International Electronic Commission (IEC) in 2009. TCG continued to revise the TPM specification. The last revised edition of TPM main specification version 1.2 was published on March 3, 2011. It consists of three parts based on the purpose for the second major version of TPM. However, TCG related TPM library specification 2.0, which built upon the previously published TPM main specification. Its latest edition was released on September 2016 with several errata, with the latest and being data on January 8, 2018. Trusted Platform Module provide a random number generator facility for the secure generation of cryptographic keys for limited use. Remote assistation create a nearly unforgettable hash keys. Summary of the hardware and software configuration. The software in charge of hashing the configuration data determines the extent of the summary. This allows a third party to verify that the software has not been changed. Binding. Inscript data using the TPM bind key, a unique RSA key descent from a source key. Stealing, similar to blinding but a addition is specific the TPM state for the data to be described unsealed. Computer program can use a TPM to authenticate hardware device, since each TPM chip has a unique and secret endorsement key burned in as it produces. Pushing the security down to the hardware level provide more protection than a software-only solution uses. This United States Department of Defense (DoD) specifies that new computer assets, e.g., server, desktop, laptop, thin client, tablet, smartphone, personal digital assistant, mobile phone, procured to support DoD will include a TPM version 1.2 or higher where required by DISA, ST IGS and where such technology is available. DoD anticipates that TPM is to be used for device identification, authentication, inscription, and device integrity verification. Platform integrity. The primary scope of TPM is to assure the integrity of a platform. In this context, integrity means behave as intended, and a platform is any computer device regardless of its operating system. It is to ensure that the boot process starts from a trusted combination of hardware and software and continue until the operating system has fully booted and applications are running. The responsibility of assuring said integrity using TPM is with firmware and operating system. For example, Unified Extension Firmware Interface UEFI can use TPM to form a root of trust. The TPM contains several platform configuration register PCRs that allow secure stores and reporting of security relevant metrics. These metrics can be used to detect changes to previous configuration and decide how to proceed. Good example can be found in Linux Unified Key Setup, LUKS, BitLocker, and private core memory inscription. An example of TPM use for platform integrity is the trusted execution technology, which create a chain of trust. It could remotely attest that a computer is using the specified hardware and software. Disk encryption. Full disk encryption utilities such as DMCrypt and BitLocker can use this technology to protect keys used to encrypt the computer storage device and provide integrity authentication for a trusted boot pathway that include firmware and boot sector. Operating system often require authentication involving a password or other means to protect keys, data, or system. If the authentication mechanism is implemented in software only, the access is prone to dictionary attacks. Since TPM is implemented in a dedicated hardware module, a dictionary attack prevention mechanism was built in, which effectively protect against guessing or automatic dictionary attack while still allowing the user a sufficient and reasonable number of tries. Without this level of protection, only password with high complexity would provide sufficient protection. Other use and concern. Any application can use a TPM chip for digital rights management, protection and information of software license, prevention of cheating in online games. Other uses exist, some of which give rise to privacy concern. The physical presence features of TPM address some of concern by requiring BIOS level confirmation for operation such as activating, deactivating, clearing or changing ownership of TPM by someone who is physically present at the console of the machine. TPM 2.0 reference implementation developers Microsoft repository github.com Microsoft MS TPM 2.0 ref written in C++ type TPM implementation license BSD license website library specification. Starting in 2006, many new laptops have been sold with a built-in TPM chip. In the future, this concept could be co-located on an existing motherboard chip in computers or any other device where a TPM facilities could be employed, such as cell phone on a PC. Either LPC or SPI bus is used to connect to the TPM chip. The Trusted Computing Group has certified TPM chip manufactured by Infineon Technologies, Navarton, ST Microelectronics, having assigned TPM vendor IDs to Advanced Micro Device Atmel, Broadcom, IBM, Infineon, Intel, Lenovo, National Semiconductor Technologies, Navarton, ST Semiconductor, Samsung, Texas Instruments, and Winbond. There are 5 different type of TPM 2.0: discrete TPMs, integrated TPMs, firmware TPMs, software TPMs, virtual TPMs. The official TCG reference implementation of the TPM 2.0 specification has been developed by Microsoft. It is licensed under BSD license and the source code is available on GitHub. In 2018, Intel open sourced its trusted platform module software stack with support for Linux and Microsoft Windows. The source code is hosted on GitHub and licensed under BSD license. Infineon founded the development of an open source TPM middleware that complies with the software stack enhanced system API, a specification of TCG. It was developed by for secure. The source code is hosted on SourceForge and licensed under BSD license. Architecture: the one-size-fits-all specification consists of 3 parts: algorithm, cryptoprimitives, hierarchy, root key, authorization, NVDAM. Attacks: in 2010, Christopher present an attack against TPM's Black Hat briefings where he claimed to able to extract secret from a single TPM. He was able to do this after 6 months of work by inserting a probe and spying on an internal bus for the Infineon SLC66 CLPC. In 2015, as part of the Southern Revolution, it was revealed that in 2010, US CIA team claimed at an internal conference to have carried out a defined power analysis attack against TPMs that was able to extract secret. In 2018, a design flaw in the TPM 2.0 specification for the static root of trusted measurement was reported. It allow an adversary to reset and force platform configuration register, which are designed to secure hold measurement of software that are used for bootstrapping a computer. Fixing it require hardware specific firmware paths. An attacker abused power interrupt and TPM state restores to trick TPM into thinking that it is running one non-tempered component. Availability: currently TPM is used by nearly all PC and notebook manufacturers, primarily offered on professional product line. TPM is implemented by several vendors. If you want to protect your computer from hack, from unauthorized access, you need to know that your motherboard have a built-in TPM chip. If you want to know that where is it located, go to the my computer, right click, manage. In the manage, you can see a device manager. Click on device manager, then click system devices. In system device list, you find the TPM chip trusted platform module, and that's if it present in your system device, you can use it and secure your digital life and secure your digital data and protect yourself. Bye. Thank you.